Hey there, it is Donna here and welcome to my channel. This is a quick video showing you what is going to be in the class kit for the class I have coming up October 26th. That is a Thursday, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Some old habits die hard. Central Standard Time, 7 p.m. Check out the link in the description. That'll send you to the class and the kit. We will be creating this very fun magical slider kit. I have gone down older videos on my YouTube channel, trying to get a sense of what you guys like the most, and this is definitely one of the top viewed, so thought it would be a fun class to bring to you. Again, check out the link below. You want to make sure you order your kit so you get it in enough time to have it there for you and ready for your class. Thank you so much. Enjoy! The materials you will be receiving in your class kit to create this very fun magic slider card with the beautiful sunflower, perfect for the fall season. You are going to be receiving 2 pre-cut black frames, which are to be framed on the outside of your card. 2 scored and window cut blue card bases. You are going to be receiving 2 of the pull handles, also scored, 2 of your sunflowers and your sunflower middles to create your 2 cards. Then you're going to be receiving your pre-stamped acetate and cardstock, acetate and cardstock, so 2 of each. And then 2 just pre-cut, these are going to be the background of your card, white pieces of cardstock as well. And I included those just in case your cardstock was a little bit of a different color, a brighter white or more of an off-white. You will have these that will match your cardstock on your stamped sunflower. Now, you are going to want to pre-color your sunflower before your class because I know everyone has a different speed at coloring. With this one here, this is a little sample that I just was coloring before I did the class, before I did the sample. And with this one here, I just used watercolor pencils and then wet my brush and just did some light blending. And the sample that I ended up using was with my alcohol markers. So it really is whatever you prefer, whatever type of color medium you want to use for your sunflower. Spend an hour with me and some of your fellow card makers. Have a good time, learn some tips and tricks along the way, and take away 2 beautiful cards. Thank you so much. Please see the link below if you're interested in signing up for this class. I do have limited spots available. And I look forward to seeing you on October 26th. Bye-bye.